Hello, this is Sir Rufi. I'm delighted to congratulate IPAG of the Mindanao State University Iligan Institute of Technology on the occasion of your Pearl anniversary. You are in the pinnacle of your success, development, and growth. You have shown to the world the nobility, creativity, originality, and the exoticism of the arts and culture of Mindanao, Sulu, and Palawan. Indeed, the Philippines. Last year, you came to America as virtual unknowns, and you came back to the Philippines as conquerors. People here expected the normal Singkil routine in your repertoire. However, we were treated to something more dazzling, exciting, and cerebral. And as such, America awaits for your return. Make 2008 as your target date to reconquer America and possibly even Canada. Your artistic director, Tibo Fernandez, and I are in correspondence regarding the next quantum leap for IPAG. And this is your elevation to an academy for cultural enhancement and development of Mindanao, Sulu, and Palawan, or whatever it will eventually be called. Tibo and all of you have our support for the excellent, persistent, and exacting ways you accomplish your hits. Indeed, rehearsals sometimes become tedious and taxing to one's body and spirit. However, you have discovered by now that there is nothing more savoring than the adulation of the audience, possibly the highest high to one's consciousness. Ang kasiyahan at kasayahang dulot ng arte at sining ay walang katulad at walang pagkupas. Pag-ibayuhin natin ang pagsisikap. Good day to you and congratulations again. This is Sir Rufi.
All right.